That's snow, Sam. Where are you going? Oh, yeah, it's weird. You staying on the sidewalk? Where are you going, Sam? Where are you going? Go, go, you can go. I don't have proper boots for you, though. You hear a bird? You hear a bird? Looks like there's been rabbits in our yard. What you looking at? Want to walk in the snow, Sam? Come follow Mommy? You just like to look at the snow?